Hello! In this tutorial, we will learn how to create complex movements in SoundSwitch using just one position cue and the built-in movement options SoundSwitch provides. These techniques can be used in various situations. For example, when you have new movers, when your fixtures are positioned differently than usual, or when your normal setup has to be drastically changed and you need a quick solution. First, create a position cue. Create a 8-bar auto loop or higher, raise the intensity in the main track all the way up, and add one or more colors. Next, place the position cue at both the beginning and the end of the auto loop. Now double-click the position cue and change the pan for half of the movers in your setup. Next, move the fixtures into different positions. Keep in mind that for the effect to work, the fixtures must be set facing forward and spread across more than 2 quadrants. Now, start the auto loop. Go to Performance window, select the circle in the movement pad, and press play to start the effect. Keep in mind that this effect works only with the movement pad activated. If you are not satisfied with the movement, go back to the position window and adjust the fixture's position until you achieve the desired effect. You can also adjust the movement size and movement rate to make the effect faster or wider. To achieve different movements, select other patterns that SoundSwitch provides. With this technique, you can create different auto loops with just one position cue for each auto loop and more. Just duplicate the first position, change the positions of the fixtures, and add them to the second auto loop. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and like for more tutorials.